Alright, number 16. This time we're given the circumference. So, we're going to have to start off with the circumference formula. We could either use the formula circumference equals 2 pi r, or circumference equals pi times diameter. I'm going to go ahead and use the pi times diameter formula. But you could use the 2 pi r, it would get you there. Circumference equals pi times diameter. In this case, we're given the circumference. So, this is going to go in for c, because that is the circumference. So this will become 30 pi equals pi times the diameter. Alright, I'm looking for the diameter, so I need to get d by itself. So how will I get d by itself? I'm going to divide by pi to get d by itself. So I need to divide by pi on both sides of the equation. On both sides of the equation, these pi's are simply going to cancel out. Pi divided by pi is 1. So on the right hand side, that's just going to leave d. On the left side, that's just going to leave 30. So that's the diameter. The diameter is 30. Okay, so I can go ahead and put that on my table. Diameter is 30. Now, let's remember the relationship between diameter and radius. Diameter is the whole distance. So we're told that this is 30. Of course, the radius is just from the center to the edge. So the radius should always be half of the diameter. So if the diameter is 30, the radius should simply be 15. So that's why this is going to be 15. And that's the answer. If I had used the circumference equals 2 pi r formula, it would have looked like this. Circumference equals 2 pi r. Again, substituting 30 pi for the circumference, I get 30 pi equals 2 pi r. Dividing both sides by 2 pi. So the 2's and the pi's cancel out on the right. On the left side, the pi's cancel out. That just leaves 30 divided by 2. And that means that the radius is 15, which is what we found. And of course, if the radius is 15, that means the diameter must be 30. Since the diameter is always twice as big as the radius. So you could have done it that way as well.